needs to go in and ball. But ultimately, you know, it depends on the person how he responds to the situation. So you try to be honest to yourself. You read the game and decide something. If it doesn't work, you stand up and take the responsibility, because that's what your job is. You know, try to defend the team, you know, as much as you can.
MS, what does a player like Virat Kohli mean to the captain and to the team? I mean, with his work ethic and the passion he brings, you know, is it something inspiring for the seniors too?
Well, every individual is very different. You know, certain players play cricket in different ways. You know, Virat is somebody who's very different to, if you compare him to somebody else, maybe a Rohit Sharma or a Yuvraj Singh or a Suresh Raina. And that's how the character of the side builds. You know, he has done fantastically well in the last few years. I feel he has been someone who has grabbed the opportunity to the best potential he had, because more often than not, you'll see individuals talk about, if they get 5 games, you know, they'll talk about, if I get 2 more games, I would have done something. But you see Virat, you know, the very first game he gets as an opportunity, he grabs it with both hands, and that's something that has been of great help to him. And throughout whatever I have seen, he's somebody who wants to improve in each and every game. You know, we try to give him opportunity at the top of the batting order, and, you know, I'm talking about the initial years. And there were maybe couple of games or 3 or 4 games where he got off to a good start, scored close to 60, 65, 70 odd runs and got out. And he was really disappointed with himself, and he wanted to improve on that. And I think because of all those reasons, today you see him as a consistent performer, somebody who doesn't really throw his wicket. And at the same time, you know, he's scoring at a pace that's very difficult to match by some of the other individuals, yet he plays very, you know, authentic cricketing shots.
Last one.
माही, पाकिस्तान के लिए और आने वाले कल के लिए पहले से बधाई। और एक चीज़ खाली एक आपसे जरूर जानना चाहेंगे, तो अपने पूरे देशवासियों के लिए आप क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं? और कल आपने ऐसा क्या गुरु मंत्र आपने अपने टीम में जो इसमें बैटिंग ऑर्डर में दिया कि सबने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया, और ऐसा लगा नहीं कि ये स्कोर इतनी जल्दी खत्म हो गई?
नहीं, ऐसा कोई गुरु मंत्र नहीं होता है। जैसा कि मैंने बोला, जो इंडिविजुअल्स होते हैं, जैसे जैसे आप एक टूर्नामेंट में आगे बढ़ते हो, नॉकआउट स्टेज में आते हो, तो इंडिविजुअल को ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी पड़ती है, और उसी का हमने थोड़ा इंडिकेशन देखा लास्ट मैच में। ओपनर्स ने बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग की, रोहित ने हमें एक बहुत अच्छा स्टार्ट दिया, जिसके कारण मिडिल ऑर्डर के लिए थोड़ा सा आसान हो गया। और बीच में जो पार्टनरशिप हुई, विराट ऑफ कोर्स उसने बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग की और पूरे इनिंग्स को कैरी किया फॉरवर्ड, जिसके कारण बाकी जो बैट्समैन थे वो आके अपना गेम खेल सके। सो आई थिंक यू नो, कल का मैच अगेन एक बड़ा मैच होगा हमारे लिए, और सेम एटीट्यूड के साथ हम ग्राउंड पे उतरेंगे। और जहाँ तक देशवासियों के लिए संदेश की बात है, तो यू नो, सिर्फ फाइनल के पहले हम ऐसा कोई संदेश नहीं देना चाहते हैं। हमारे दिल में जो है वो साल भर रहता है। सो यू नो, लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट इट।
Thank you.